What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something really awesome going on. Today we're changing out the rims and tires. So for any of you who have not been watching the channel, about 3 to 4 weeks ago I sold my last set of rims and 40-inch tires for my truck, and then I ordered a new set from Custom Offsets. So if you do want any rims or any other accessories from Custom Offsets, definitely let them know that Diesel Harm 379 sent you. But I ended up ordering a new set of rims and tires for my truck, and due to this whole COVID shutdown thing and everything getting back to work and all this, that, and the other, shipping has been delayed a little bit. So my truck's been pretty much out of commission with the stock rims and tires on it for about 3 weeks now, I'd say. So that's probably why you haven't seen many pictures and videos of my truck lately, because obviously, as you can see, looks kind of dumb with the stock wheels on it. But I did get the rims in, they showed up. So let's go ahead and get these things unwrapped and get them on the truck, and let's get this thing back to what it used to be, which is awesome. So when you get your rims from Custom Offset, they're gonna show up on a box truck like this here. And then they're gonna drop them off on a pallet. So they're gonna come stacked and wrapped, styrofoam padding like this, cardboard, and plenty of wrapping. And they put the good side of the rim facing down so that it's not getting damaged from the top. And then typically all of your hardware and lug nuts and whatnot are going to be probably at the bottom in a bag being protected. So everything will be coming just like this, all wrapped up, safe and protected. Let's get this unwrapped and see what these new babies look like. I assume these are the lug nuts, but we'll have to check in 1 minute. These are nice. Okay guys, here's what we got running. We're gonna start with the tires. These are a set of Atturo Trail Blade Boss off-road mud tires. I really wanted to try these out. I read a lot of good reviews on them. I love the tread pattern. They look like knives, very rugged looking, very cool looking. So that's what I was going for. These are a 40-inch tire at 14.5 inches wide. So they're a very big tire. I'll get you a close up here. Look at this tread pattern. So the tread pattern is meant to look like the Boss Hog knife. So here's the blade. And then on the side, you have sort of the handle. So these tires are really nice. They're big, they're awesome looking. Now let's take a close up of the new rims. There they go. TIS off-road black milled. That's a 24-inch rim, 14-inch wide with a -76 offset. Look at how nice that looks. Now I did go with the balancing beads on these as well, because I hate looking at those big giant stick-on weights on the back. Plus, when you get into large tires like this, the balancing beads tend to help the tire balance a little easier. But look how nice that looks. And let me tell you, these things are big. So without further ado, let's get these on the truck. Okay guys, I need your opinion. Stock or the new ones? Stock, new. I'm voting for new. Let's get the other 3 installed and get this thing looking awesome again. Okay guys, there it is, the finished product. Okay guys, we are done. We got the new rims and tires put on. They turned out awesome. They look amazing. These are the TIS 544 black milled and 24x14, -76 offset, running Atturo Trail Blade Boss 40x14.5. So they turned out awesome. I'm really happy with how they turned out. So again, guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching the channel. So again, do me a favor, like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. And if you could subscribe to the channel and share with your friends, I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, the more people following the channel, the more likes, the more subscribers, it shows me that you like what I'm doing, and I'll continue to put out more videos. So until the next time, see you in the next video.